Crisp and dunkable almond biscotti are classic Italian cookies, loved for their texture and the way almonds add both flavor and crunch. They're so much fun to make because they're so customizable. I'm Chloe Hodgman, and I'm the pastry chef at The Girl and the Fig. The restaurant is located in the beautiful Sonoma Plaza and serves what can be described as country food with a French passion. Today, I'm going to show you how to make almond biscotti 3 ways: Earl Grey, White Chocolate Cranberry, and a Savory Hot Honey biscotti.
Chef Chloe starts by preparing basic biscotti dough, creaming together butter and sugar and slowly adding eggs. For the dry ingredients, combine the flour, almond flour, salt, baking powder, and slivered toasted almonds for an added crunch. The dry ingredients are then mixed with the wet ingredients. Using almond flour gives the biscotti a light, crisp texture, while the almonds add a rustic look and a pleasant bite. The almond flour also enhances the biscotti's flavor profile and texture, creating a richer, nuttier taste that complements the other flavors and helps create that signature twice-baked crunch. Plus, almond flour has 6 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber, 15 grams of total fat, and 1 gram of saturated fat per quarter cup serving. So that's a nice benefit for health-conscious consumers too. Please note that almond flour nutrition facts will differ from brand to brand. With the basic dough formed, you could bake as is, but Chef Chloe elevated this classic with several delicious flavor variations. First, the Earl Grey Almond Biscotti, a flavor that's been gaining buzz in social conversations and trending as a flavor choice over the past year, making them a modern flavor duo. Simply mix some loose leaf Earl Grey tea into the dough and we're done. Next is another classic, White Chocolate Cranberry. Just add the dried cranberries and white chocolate chips to the biscotti dough. The creamy sweetness of white chocolate balances the tartness of cranberries, while almonds add a nutty depth and satisfying textural contrast. Last is a little more unexpected, Savory Hot Honey Almond Biscotti. All you need to do is fold the hot honey and some red pepper flakes into the dough, along with some extra almond flour. These are irresistibly tasty because of their balance of rich and nutty almonds and a touch of sweet heat from the hot honey. Taking a trendy ingredient like hot honey is such an easy way to modernize a traditional European cookie and give it a fresh, contemporary twist. They are great served on a cheese board, alongside a soup like a tomato or butternut squash bisque, or paired with a Prosecco, dry rosé, or Sauvignon Blanc. Once they're flavored, you need to shape them into a long log and press them to flatten slightly. Top with egg wash and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes. Here are some biscotti logs that have already been baked to a beautiful golden brown and cooled completely. Slice each loaf and place them back onto a sheet pan to bake for another 15 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through. Here we have our biscotti that have been baked for a second time to toast and dry completely. These almond biscotti are golden, crisp, and ready to enjoy, whether you're savoring one with your morning coffee or wrapping a batch for a gift.
I hope this recipe encourages you to explore new ways of baking with almonds and discover creative twists that bring joy to your kitchen.